What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over baby Dogecoin today because, as you can see, we are still inside of a little bit of a downtrend here with baby Dogecoin, which is not a bad thing at all. It's actually a pretty good thing that we're continuing to go down. I'm definitely going to explain that right now, but remember, please hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, Public.com, all that good stuff. And also check out my Instagram, Twitter, follow me up on there. You can definitely follow me on my other stuff, Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. And also check out the BeatStars link that I have in the description, because if you make music, I got some really good beats on there. And if you need some beats for your background music on your YouTube videos, it's definitely helpful there too. So let's check out this technical analysis. Now, why I'm saying that it's good for us to actually be going down on this downtrend. Like, look, this is going to incentivize buyers to actually buy in. Like, this is actually a really good thing for baby Dogecoin here. Really good thing for baby Doge. Like, if we continue to go down, people are going to start looking at that as a buying opportunity, and they're going to end up buying it. Now, I want to say something back here. Three times in a row, we broke out of consolidation into a or twice so far. Now it's the third consolidation, but we haven't broke out of that third consolidation yet. So inside this consolidation period, we broke out into a negative trend line. Inside of this consolidation period, we broke out into another negative trend line. And now inside of this consolidation period on this wedge, we're inside of like a stagnant period. We're like trading sideways. So this is kind of an indication that we might actually break out the trend line into a positive trend line. We might actually break out the consolidation into a positive trend line. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but I do believe we could break out into a positive, trend line. But I do want to say one thing. Usually after a consolidation period like this, it'll fake people out, it'll trick people. Like, it'll go down to the support line. So it'll end up going down to this little support line here. But what happens is when you hit the support line, it kind of fakes you out, and you think that it's going to keep going down, possibly to the next support line, until boom, something just happens, and then we just end up just starting to rise. So I definitely believe something like this is probably about to happen inside baby Dogecoin. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. But this is what I'm seeing here. Because let's be completely honest, whenever you have something happen like three times in a row, usually on the third time it ends up tricking people. Like, people will probably think, oh, we broke out of this consolidation period into a negative trend line, and we broke so many different channels. We went down by so much, and then we tried to come up again, but then we broke out of this trend line. We broke so many different channels, and now we're doing the same thing again. So a lot of people will look at this like, wow, this is probably time to sell. But it's the complete opposite. This is probably what you want to buy because it's at the lowest. Like, when baby Dogecoin was all the way up here, this was definitely when you would have wanted to sell. But I mean, even at that, like, you still lose 5% because of the redistribution process. But still, like, baby Dogecoin is worth holding because it's just like, it's automatic staking. Like, I bought baby Dogecoin, and I'm looking at my wallet. I'm like, wow, just the amount of baby Dogecoin just kept increasing, and then within a day, I got 1 million baby Dogecoins just by holding it. So it's definitely crazy just watching the numbers move like that because the redistribution process. So I think baby Dogecoin is still, good to hold. You don't really have to sell it. But anyways, I do see this actually going up. But first, we need to retrace a little bit. Like I said, I definitely hope that we break out of this consolidation and reach this support line, because then it's going to incentivize buyers to come in and then buy up the dip. So if we actually dip again to this next support line, we'll end up coming, up here to this resistance. So hopefully this happens. And I know it sounds bad for me saying hopefully we dip a little bit more, but like, hey, I'm still trying to buy the dips. I'm still trying to accumulate more baby Doge at a cheaper price because I'm so bullish with baby Doge fundamentally. So even though I'm looking at this and I'm like, technically, it looks like we're probably about to break down to another support line before we actually rise. This is a good thing because it's going to give me more money and a more chance to buy. So what I'm actually going to be doing here, the money that I make today, I'm going to take my money and I'm going to be putting it straight into baby Dogecoin. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And I bought some baby Dogecoin yesterday. So I'm probably going to buy some more today if we hit this support line, because this is definitely a good point to buy. And I know other buyers are looking at this as another good opportunity. So I definitely believe in baby Dogecoin. I definitely believe we have some good stuff going on here, like fundamentally and technically, because like looking at this, like, it's definitely good to bounce back off the support line. But anyways, as you can see here, baby Dogecoin down 4.6% in the last 24 hours, and down for every single other chart which is good. This is good. You do not want to get inside of cryptos when they were at their peak. Literally, baby Dogecoin is literally only 506% up all time. Literally of all time. Like since its all time low, it was a bunch of zeros and 175. I'm not gonna even try to say all the zeros, but a bunch of zeros and 175. So that was very, very, very low. And now we still have a bunch of zeros, but now it's now at the 564 area. So this is definitely pretty good for baby Dogecoin. So I do want to mention something here. Like, look at the price of baby Dogecoin right now. And then if you think about where Shiba Inu was right before it jumped, it's kind of at that same price right now. So we literally, I know I said this in my other video, but we have so much potential here that I have to keep saying this because this, I see people so bearish on baby Doge. I see people people are inside the comment section sometimes and they're like, why are you clickbaiting? Why are you talking about this? Blah, 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 blah. But it's like, this is not clickbait at all. This is literally fundamentally sound. Like the whole Paul Map 2021, I went over it so many different times. I'm not going to go over it again because I know you're probably tired of hearing about it. But anyways, the Paul Map 2021 is almost here and it's huge. So much is going on with it. But anyways, as you can see, there are some sell orders coming in. So that's definitely very good for us. It's going to incentivize buyers to come back in once it hits a certain price. But anyways, let's back up here. I know I said I wasn't going to talk about the Paul Map 2021, but I'm just going to do it anyway because everyone needs to know about this. So anyways, this is going to be really quick. We already had the wallet tracker. So what I'm going to show you guys the wallet tracker actually. So we just now did the wallet tracker, right? So let's go over here. This is the wallet tracker. Before we do that, let's look at this. 611,000 people holding baby Dogecoin right now. That's 611,428. Hit that refresh button, 611,460. So within a few minutes of us doing this video, people are still investing in baby Doge. Now, let's go over to this wallet that just now bought baby Doge 30 seconds ago. Yeah. Actually, let's go over to a bigger wallet. This wallet right here bought a minute ago. And actually, no, that one's a pancake swap. Never mind. I don't want to look at the liquidity because it's just liquidity. So yeah, let's just look at the one that just now, went through. So this is 22 billion baby Doge coins. I think I actually have more than that. Yeah, I have more than them. But anyways, let's click the 22 billion baby Doge. And then they are, okay, so they're doing some selling as well. Wow, this person is selling a lot of baby Doge coin. They're doing a lot of trading here. So they have 356 billion baby Doge coin. Yeah, I don't have that much, but I did have more than what they did in that one transaction. So let's go over here to the wallet tracker. Let's track this wallet right here. And just to show you all like how this works and what's really going on behind the scenes here. So this person has 52.5 trillion baby Doge. Wait, I don't know if that's actually right. There might be a glitch here inside the baby Doge wallet thing. All right, so this is 356 billion. So yeah, that might be wrong right there. Valued out to $214,000 inside of this wallet. Wow, that is a lot of money inside of this baby Dogecoin wallet. But yeah, I think this is actually not correct all the way. Your baby Doge USD balance 29.5, blah 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 blah. All right, so maybe I shouldn't click the profile summary, right? So I'll actually just click here for this one, and I'll just find it through here. So let's see if we can do that, because this is the baby Doge tracker, and they may have a little bit of glitches because it did just now get put up here. So I wouldn't blame them. All right, so no, it is not glitched. All right, good. I clicked the wrong thing. I knew I clicked the wrong thing because I clicked the profile summary. That's not the right one that you want to click. All right, so whenever you do this, you definitely don't want to click the profile summary of your thing. Definitely click this, which is the address. I don't know why I didn't click that at first. But yeah, look, it's showing it right here. The 357 trillion baby Doge balance. You go over here, you see they have 356 trillion, but it probably didn't update on here yet. But anyways, 58 seconds ago, that's why I didn't update yet. But still, this is huge, $200,000. So this baby Doge wallet literally has $200,000. They're doing a bunch of day trades, which is actually pretty cool. Like, I really like the fact that this person's buying in, out, in, out, in, out, because that means every time they make a sell order, 5% of everything that they sell is given to us. And that's why I'm looking at my baby Doge wallet. Like, every few hours or so, I'm seeing a million. It's just increasing by a million, like million back to back to back to back. And I know it's not much at first, but that adds up. That really adds up, especially once we really rise inside of baby Dogecoin. So yeah, I'm definitely glad that people are doing sell orders like this. It probably sounds terrible for me to say, but like I said, I'm hoping that it retraces, because the more they sell, the more baby Doge we get redistributed back into our wallet. And then on top of that, it's going to incentivize buyers to come right back in and buy in at the dip. So then when they buy at that support line at 510, it's going to end up breaking us all the way up here back to 636. So that's actually pretty cool right there. So shout out to all the people selling baby Dogecoin. But yeah, the baby Doge tracker is here now. This is really huge for the whole baby Doge community. The V1 version is live. They're probably going to make a V2 version. I don't know when, but yeah, let's kind of go over everything that they tell us about it though. They show you the market cap of Baby Doge, which is at 129 or 149 million dollars. The monthly volume of Baby Doge, 126 million is flowing through Baby Doge every month. So people are buying in out, in out, in out. They're probably day trading and making that money. And then over here you got the price of Baby Doge, and then you got the 24-hour trading volume. So they pretty much show you everything. And this is the rewards that this person's getting and giving. So Baby Doge features a 5% fee that is redistributed as rewards to token holders. So that means the more volume and more active the community is, the more Baby Doge coins you'll receive. And that's why I said I love when people go inside and Baby Doge coin and do all these sell orders. Like, it's just gonna keep coming and keep flowing into us. And then as Baby Doge grows, we grow with it. So this is huge. I really like this. So total Baby Doge coin earned by this wallet is 10.8 trillion, and they have 357 trillion. So that kind of puts things into perspective. So total, this person with $200,000 has earned $6,100 just purely based off that 5% redistribution, just purely based off people selling their baby Dogecoin and redistributing 5% to every single person, or evenly between every single person, everybody that sells. This person got $6,000 automatically staked. This is way better than a high interest savings account. They put 200K in, they get 6K out already. And if they keep holding, they're going to get more and more money. I really love Baby Dogecoin. This is nice. So projected weekly Baby Doge rewards. So off their 357 trillion weekly, they're projected to make 1 trillion Baby Doge, which is $581 a week. That's how much people make for working at McDonald's. And that's no jokes for people working at McDonald's. Like, I just now got a job, not at McDonald's, but I'm not going to say because I don't want to get fired. But anyways, I just got a job somewhere, and I'm probably going to be making less videos here and there, but I'm going to be trying to get them. And my new schedule will be after 4:30 p.m. So after 4:30 p.m., I'm going to be, releasing Baby Doge videos and all videos starting like next week or something, because I haven't started yet. But anyways, it's going to be like that in the future. So definitely watch out for my new schedule. After 4:30 p.m. next week, I will be, making videos, and that'll be Friday through Monday. And then all the other days I'll be making videos in the morning. But anyways, projected weekly, they're going to make $581 weekly. And yeah, I know it's a lot, 200K, but you got to think about this, right? So the stock SPHD, I want to do something right here that I didn't even plan to do this. That's why I like doing these videos like all the way through without planning it. I don't plan these videos, by the way. I pull up things that I want to talk about and I talk about them, but I also do some impromptu stuff like this too. So let's look up this right here. I want to show you something. So SPHD, this stock is worth $42.89, right? So now let's do SPHD dividend. I think it's about 11 cents right now. SPHD dividend is a high dividend, low volatility stock right here, and it's like a S&P 500 type thing, but it's low volatility. So look, the last date for the dividend was actually 12 cents, and I actually have stock in this. That's why I'm talking about it. But I'm making more off Baby Dogecoin than this. That's why I'm going to talk about it. So 12.8, right? And the stock is 42.89. So let's say I have $1,000, or not even 1,000, because let's just say what this person has. This person has let's go back over to the Baby Doge tracker. Baby Dogecoin over here. All right, 214,188, right? So you take 214,188 divided by your stock, which is 42.89. So if this person had it in this dividend stock, they would have 4,993 shares, right? Now you take and multiply your shares by your dividends, which I have right over here, which is 12.8. So you take and multiply your shares by your 0.128 dividends. So weekly, they would get 639,000, or not weekly, monthly, they would get $639,000, or not just monthly, they will get $639, not thousand. But yeah, monthly is $639, right? But you come over here and you look at Baby Dogecoin, just for holding Baby Dogecoin, weekly they get $581.92. So this is how much they get monthly in SPHD, and this is how much, and this is a high dividend stock. Like every month they're getting dividends, high dividends, low volatility. And this stock performs flawlessly. That's why I have this stock. And this is when the whole thing happened, and then it just went right back up. So this stock just performs flawlessly, is what I'm saying. Now, you got to think about it now. $581.92. This is how much they're making monthly for that stock, $639. So let's do this next thing, which is 581.92 times 4. So they're making $2,000, 327. So $2,300 a month compared to this high dividend stock right here. The highest dividend you could probably get off of any stock is literally right here. And they're making way more. So this is huge. And anyways, if you want to see the difference, let's just do this minus, I think it was 638, something like that. But anyways, minus 638. And yeah, you're making $1,600 more holding baby Dogecoin than the highest dividend stock out there. So you got to put that into perspective here. So this is huge right here. And this is how much they're making weekly. Monthly, they're out here making 5.4K just from holding baby Dogecoin with their 200K. And let's, like, if you think about their actual, their yearly salary with just holding baby Dogecoin. Yes, baby Dogecoin is paying yearly salaries, and on top of that, baby Dogecoin's price appreciates, so you're really making more than what they're saying. But anyways, that's for another story. So for a whole year, they're making $64,000 just holding baby Dogecoin. And if you kind of add in what we, how we increase, just add another $64,000 because over a year we're definitely going to do 100% plus. That's a lot of money. So $128,000. Like, come on. Like, anyone who doesn't want to hold baby Doge, like, it's financially stupid to not hold baby Dogecoin. And that's just the truth. But anyways, projected monthly baby Doge rewards 9.5 trillion. So this is pretty big right here. If you want to come to this tracker, definitely check it out. I would pull up mine, but I don't want it to show my wallet address because you know how people are. They'll try to hack you and scam you and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't want to pull up mine. If I do though, I'll pull it up without having it like on a different day, and I'll like blur it out and I'll plan it out and just blur out my wallet address because I don't want to get scammed and hacked. But anyways, I don't have that much money in baby Dogecoin, so they can't take much from me. But yeah, this is how much they would make. Now down here you can see the prediction maker, 7 days into the future. That's how much they'll make. Now let's say you want 10 years, right? Baby Dogecoin volume multiplier. I don't know much about the volume multiplier, but let's do this. Let's say you want it to do 71 days. That's 12K. That's a lot of money actually. 71 days into the future, you'll make 12K baby Doge inside of baby Dogecoin. All right, $12,000, not 12K baby Doge. Now, let's say let's actually do some more math here because I'm big on doing math. 365 times 10. So in 10 years, that's 3,650 days. 3,650 days. In 10 years, they're gonna make a total of 652,000. That's without including the appreciation of baby Doge in 10 years. I guarantee you, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but I guarantee you, baby Dogecoin in 10 years is 10,000 plus percent, possibly 100,000%. Remember what Shiba Inu did inside of 1 year. In 1 year, Shiba Inu did 13 million percent. Like, I know it sounds crazy, but that was at their peak, 13 million percent. So just think, 10 years, let's just say 20 million percent, like 10 years. I don't even like that's such a crazy, evaluation, but still, baby Doge volume multiplier, and you're just gonna have to do the volume multiplier because baby Doge coin is gonna be huge in 10 years. If they wait 10 years, their $200,000 will probably be 65. That's just it's just if it 100x's, right? That's only if it 100x's, then it's 65.2 million. 1,000x, 652 million. 10,000x, really a lot of money, but 6.5 billion. This is what you gotta like think about when you're doing baby Doge. But anyways, this is more baby Doge that's out there, so it's not gonna do like some huge thing like that because there's not even 1.16 quadrillion. Well, it's too much quadrillion to even say. 11,000 quadrillion, yeah, not that much out there. But if you do it realistically and you think about this realistically, like you can make a lot of money here with baby Dogecoin. So this is all I'm saying. This is huge right here. And this is not to say like baby Dogecoin is probably going to add some more to the circulation in the future, like in the far, far future. Almost every crypto is going to add more to their circulation. Like they can. All they got to do is go into the code and do their thing. That's all they got to do. But anyways, this is huge stuff right here. I really do believe in baby Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling you to buy it, not telling you to sell it, not telling you to do anything. Just showing you what you could possibly make here inside of baby Dogecoin. And yeah, this is huge right now. Like you can literally make so much money off of baby Dogecoin. But yeah, we're getting the 2 quadrillion burn inside of a few days, actually, on the 1st of next month. So they're going to be burning more baby Dogecoin, which is all right. Yeah, burning definitely helps. But after I looked at that, it'd probably be better if we didn't keep doing burns. But I definitely believe they're going to put more baby Dogecoins into circulation in the far, far future. So this is going to be really big. And if they keep burning at this rate, we are going to be at a very high price, a very high price. And all of us are going to have a lot of money if we buy a lot of baby Dogecoins, if we buy enough. I don't even have enough to have that much money. So I'm going to definitely make sure that I keep buying more baby Dogecoins because this is going to be huge in the future. But yeah, if you also want some more faith with baby Dogecoin, you want to know more about it, come to this baby Doge army Reddit and then look at this Reddit post right here by Toxic Smurf celebrating 4 months. They pretty much break down everything that's happened with baby Dogecoin and what's about to happen. So this is definitely really bullish. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling you all to go dump all your money in baby Dogecoin. But anyways, look at this wallet tracker, Ethereum bridge, NFT collection. They were all supposed to happen by the end of Q3, which is going to be in 2 days. So if they don't drop the Ethereum bridge in 2-3 days, and the same thing with the NFT collection, they're gonna have to postpone this Q3 stuff to Q4, which is October to December. So they're probably gonna have to do that because it's really getting late. But who knows? Maybe tomorrow or the day after that they post and they actually release the Ethereum bridge and the NFT collection. Because I know they've been doing NFTs and stuff, but let's see what they do inside of our near future. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. It would be really cool if we drop down to the support line. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that cool stuff. Spotify Music, Apple Music, BeatStars. If you guys want to actually get some beats for your music or for your background videos or background music for your YouTube videos, that'll also be cool. So yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.